How to share screen with audio on Discord Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can share screen with audio in Discord Mobile. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, locate your Discord app and then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you're here, you can go to any channel that you want or any server first and then join a channel. So when you try to join a channel, you'll find this join voice option. Tap on join voice for now. After you do that, swipe up from the bottom. So there you will see swipe up option. Simply select that and simply swipe up. And then you'll find share your screen option. Tap on share your screen. Since I am recording my screen, I'm not getting the option, but tap on whichever app you want to share the screen of, and then you should be able to start sharing your screen right here. And for the audio, it's also really simple. Simply swipe up again, and there you'll find change audio output option. Select that and then select whichever you want. And it's that simple, and that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below. Thanks for watching.